Freelancers, PayPal can help increase checkout conversion by an average of 46% among small and medium-sized business merchants. One of the biggest factors of freelancing isn't just building a site for your customer, but actually solving problems that they have with that site. Sometimes that involves you simply using a tool like BigCommerce to build an easy to maintain site for your clients. Now, whether you are a professional freelancer or maybe you're trying to make your own site for your business, this will work for you. Now, I've been lucky enough to partner with PayPal on this to make sure we're educating you in some of the best ways possible on how to leverage this to your advantage. If you haven't seen the video where I discussed this, click on the link in the description where we explain it in detail. Now, you will need a PayPal developer account, so make sure your account is set up properly. Now log into your BigCommerce account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's quick and easy. For this video, we made a sample website to utilize so we can go through the PayPal integration process from the start. On our site, we can go through some of the options. There are a bunch of products there, so we don't really have to do anything for this demo besides getting PayPal activated within our checkout process. Now in our dashboard, we see several options and a search bar. Here we can go ahead and we can search for payments. We see two options pop up. We want the one that says setup. Scroll down to online payment methods and open the collapse field to now scroll down to the option for PayPal right here. Now we'll go through the prompts and sign into PayPal with our PayPal account so it can connect to our site. It's that smooth of a process. From there, we can go back to our website and check the cart page. We can now see several PayPal buttons available that are connected to our PayPal account. Just like that, you are now in business using one of the most popular payment platforms in the world. I hope this helped. Ready to get started? Check out the PayPal Partners page. You'll find the link in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye, everybody.